Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Powerschool. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in powerschool.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website of Powerschool. Now in order to log in, just click on the login button at the top right section alongside the search button. This will now open up the login page. From there, just scroll down until you find your appropriate login page. Once you find your desired login, just click on the login button and then you will be taken into the login page. From there, you can just type in your email address and click on the next button. Now you will be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type your password and click on the login button and you will be logged into your Powerschool account. In case you forgot your password, you can click on the I forgot my password button and you will be able to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how simple it is to log into your account on Powerschool. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.